Hey everybody, I wanted to show y'all right quick how I was able to get my equalizer back working. So I'm gonna show y'all right quick. The remote to this radio had stopped working for whatever reason, the remote wire. So I learned from somebody else on here on YouTube how to run a straight wire to the radio fuse. So it was very easy to do, and so I'm gonna show you right quick on this type of vehicle. The radio fuse wire is right here, the blue one. So I just simply ran this blue wire here for a straight remote power. It's hooked into the radio fuse, the number 10 fuse, and that's how it was simply done. Real easy. And like I just said, the remote for the radio had stopped working for whatever reason, so I just ran the remote to right here at this fuse, and my equalizer is back working, and it seems to be pretty normal right now. Okay, I just thought I would let you guys know my equalizer working now, and I have my music back to where it was. Okay, so it was pretty simple. I ran the wire up under here, if you guys can see it. Ran it up under the bottom here, so it was pretty easy. And okay, I guess that's it for now. You guys have a nice day. Okay, thank you.